Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using the Investing.com app and prefer a darker theme for better eye comfort or nighttime use, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable dark mode in the Investing app. Step 1. Open the Investing.com app on your mobile phone. Step 2. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on More. This will open the main menu with additional options. Step 3. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Settings icon. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on the option labeled Theme. To enable full dark mode, choose Black. Once selected, the app will automatically switch to the black theme. And that's how simple it is to switch to black theme in the Investing app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.